Today, we take you inside the Liebherr-Werk Telfs plant in Austria, a world-class center for engineering expertise and the birthplace of some of the most powerful bulldozers on the planet. Here, machines like the Liebherr PR 776 are brought to life by the skill and precision of the people behind the process. We begin at one of the most demanding stages of assembly, the track installation on the Liebherr PR 776 bulldozer. An experienced technician, supported by a crane and a specialized track feed system, carefully guides the massive steel links into position. Each segment is threaded onto the shafts of this heavy-duty dozer with accuracy that leaves no room for error. Finally, both ends of the track meet. A powerful, bolted connection secures the steel loop that forms the foundation for extreme workloads. This step may look straightforward, but it requires years of expertise. The weight of each track is enormous, and only the right balance of skill, precision, and strict safety standards ensures success. What you're watching is not just assembly. It's a demonstration of engineering mastery in action. finished Liebherr PR 776 bulldozer comes alive, its engine roaring as it powers itself onto a special transport platform designed for machines of this scale. This platform, equipped with a heavy-duty lifting system, supports the dozer's massive weight with ease. A specialized truck tractor arrives and the rigging team gets to work. The rigging systems are impressive, a complex web of heavy chains, binders, and locking mechanisms. All checked, double-checked, and precisely fastened to ensure the load is absolutely secure for the long haul. Every fastening point, every securing chain, and every locking mechanism is checked and double-checked. The rigging process is as impressive as the machine itself, a system of safety, strength, and precision. When everything is secure, the truck tractor, now carrying the colossal PR 776 bulldozer, begins its journey. From the factory in Telfs, Austria, this machine heads out to its new home, ready to tackle the toughest environments and the heaviest tasks on Earth.